प्रभु बस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक संभालने में नारियल फोड़ूंगा।
नाग देवता, मेरा फिजिक्स बचा लेना। रोज 1 लीटर दूध भिजवाऊंगा। हे गौ माता, बस पासिंग मार्क्स दिला देना।
भगवान मैं 100 रुपया पर मंथ चढ़ाऊंगा। भगवान पक्का भगवान।
Jai Swaminarayan. In your daily life, you may see some people who do not believe God and do not follow the God. Even you may see some people who remembers God every time and also follow the commands of the God. And in some people, you may find that they play God to get something from God. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna mentioned that there exist 4 types of devotees. Devotees in distress, devotees with desires, devotees with inquisitive mind, and devotees with knowledge. So which type of devotee are you? So first is devotee in distress. The devotee of this type praise the Lord when they are in extreme distress. One of the example for this type of devotee is Gajendra. Gajendra was a devotee of God from his previous life. In his next life, he got an elephant's body because of a curse by a sage. He went on for a vacation along with his sea elephants and children to a beautiful lake surrounded by green mountains. As the elephant liked to play in water, it started sporting in the lake. The cruel crocodile in the water caught the leg of Gajendra and started pulling into the deep waters. The sea elephant couldn't help much as the crocodile in the water was more powerful. After few trials, the sea elephants and the kids left the place. Gajendra tried for a long time but couldn't succeed. At the end, because of his previous life devotion, he surrendered and remembered God. By plucking a lotus with his trunk, he showed it towards the sky for the help from God and took 1/2 name of the god. Immediately God appeared and lifted Gajendra with one hand and threw the Sudarshan Chakra at the crocodile, killing it at the moment. So Gajendra did not remember God always. He remembered God while he was in extreme distress and thus saved by God. That is how some devotees remember God when they meet with distress. Non-devotees can't even remember God even while in distress. They shout, "Oh, what is happening to me?" But they can't take the name of the God. So, are you a kind of devotee like this? Mention in the comment below. Jai Swaminarayan.